Easy English, clothing. Shoe. Shoe. Hat. Hat. T-shirt. T-shirt. Dress. Dress. Socks. Socks. Pants. Pants. Sweater. Sweater. Tank top. Tank top. Coat. Coat. Shorts. Shorts. Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is this? Pants or shorts? Pants. What is this? Sweater or socks? Socks. What is this? Coat or tank top? Coat. What is this? Dress or t-shirt? T-shirt. What is this? Hat or shoe? Shoe. What is this? Shorts or socks? Shorts. What is this? Sweater or coat? Sweater. What is this? Pants or dress? Dress. What is this? T-shirt or hat? Hat. What is this? Tank top or dress? Tank top.